When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers. From the quiet of the railway station, running scared, laying low, seeking out the Porak waters, where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Und wie es noch singt! La la la. Da geht aber noch was. Asking only workman's wages, I can looking for a job, but I get no offers. Just to come home from the wars on 7th Avenue.